You should change this setting in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on File at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Options at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on Options, you'll find all these options pop up. Here, scroll down, you'll find Office Theme. Click on it and click on Black. Press on OK at the bottom and you will find this cool black color in your Outlook. You'll find it everywhere in each tab, which is Home, Send, Receive, View, Help, File, and everything else. And this is the setting you should change in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.